We now return to our regularly scheduled program.
So we are here at the Museum of Natural Curiosity. We came with Megan and Graysen. They just walked out. But we just got here. Kezi's already having fun climbing up stuff. So it should be fun. I'm excited. Yay! Good job! Oh, press it again. Press it again. Harder. Good job. Yeah, you got a stamp.
They're called like a sensory board?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna paint?
Look, there's a train if you look.
Black. I think these are a little too far for you. Look. I don't know how it works. Oh, there you go. Are you making it change colors?
Are you making the new channel art?
Oh, you guys, we're in a shark attack. Oh no. Kezi, what does a shark say? Bana, 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 bana. Something like that. Hey, look there. I think we found some treasure. Oh, that was lame. This is super fun. Like, you move all of these, you take pictures. It says take picture, and then you can play it all back. Okay, let's move them. Take picture. Yep, take picture, take picture. Kezi found a slide. Whee! Good job! Yeah, good job! So now that we've had enough fun at that creative place, we are gonna head over to some animal area. And that way we can have the kids in strollers and they can pet animals and all that fun stuff. You guys, that's a cow. Like a real life cow. And look how pretty it is. Like this, I want to pet it. Are we allowed to pet it?
I don't see why not. It's right there.
I'm scared a little bit. Oh, okay. No pooping, cow. No pooping. Are you gonna bring in another one?
Just this one.
Oh. It's a pretty cow. I don't think I've ever seen like a brown cow that shade.
It's milk chocolate. It's chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk cow. Yes, that's my kind of cow. What does a goat say? Can you hear it?
That sounds just like.
Oh! Oh! Excuse you. Say bless you. Oh, there he goes.
Touching this one in the belly.
Look at those cute goats, Kez. You like them? You like them? Bah, good job.
This lamb.
I love lamb's fur or sheep's fur, whatever. They're so cute. Look at, what is this animal? I don't even know, but look how it's laying.
A gazelle.
It's a gazelle. I doubt it's a gazelle. Look at that. And then there's this llama.
Not a kangaroo.
Hi, llama. Llama dama ding dong. You guys, look, it's a mini horse. What the heck? It has no head. I'm just kidding. You just can't see it.
Oh, that's a boy.
It's eating. It's a boy. It is a boy.
Look at those old men.
There's a miniature donkey, you guys. Rhett and Link and Rain Wilson would be so stinking happy. Okay, guys, that's it for all of the fun we had. Thanks to Megan for inviting me. It was awesome.
Thanks for coming.
Of course. Don't forget to go subscribe to their channel. They're super fun, super cute family.
I just tripped.
And we'll be hanging out with them a lot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.